Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Empty Benches. In this video, I'm going to take you through the procedure of how to download and use JFlap software. JFlap stands for Java Formal Languages and Automata Package, which runs as Java application. This software is used for experimenting with the topics in formal languages and automata theory, such as construction of abstract machines and conversion of automata grammar, and so on. It is an open source software, and the latest version of the software is available at the link given in the description box. Prerequisites for using the software is Java. If you don't have Java installed in your system, download it from the link given in the description box. If you have Java in your system, directly you can download JFlap from the link given on the screen or in the description box. When you click on that particular link, you will be redirected to this web page. Click on jflap7.1.jar link and the file will be downloaded into your system. Now, go to the location where you have downloaded the executable file. Double-click on the executable file. Then you will get the home screen of JFlap software. By using this software, we can create different machines shown here. Now, let's see an example of how to create and save a finite automata. For that, click on Finite Automata. Then you will get editor window like this. Now, let's create a sample finite automata. To insert a state, select the state symbol and click on the editor window. To insert more states, just keep clicking on the editor window. Then you will get states like this. We can increase or decrease the size of the window by just sliding the automaton size. To change the name of the state, select Attribute Editor. Go to that particular state and right-click on that state. Not only name, we can even change state to initial final state. To change the name, go to Set Name and change the name. Here I'm changing it to Start. Click on OK. To change the state to final state, give right-click on that state and click on Final. This is how a final state looks like. To change the state to an initial state, right-click on a particular state and click on Initial. This is how an initial state looks like. To insert transition, select Transition Creator, go to the state, hold the cursor and drop it on another state. Then you will be asked to enter label. Give the label and press enter. It means there is a transition from start state to Q1 on input A. For creating self transition, click on the state and enter the label. To delete any attribute, select deleter and click on that particular state or transition. We can even undo or redo the operations. Just select undo and click anywhere on the editor. It will perform undo operation. To redo, select redo and click anywhere on the editor. It will perform redo operation. To save this graph, go to File, click on Save. Choose the destination and give any file name. Click on Save. Then you will get a file with .jff extension. You can even save it in image form. Just go to File, select Save Image as, click on any format and save the file. Click on Save. you will get an image. You can even take printout directly from the editor window. Go to File, click on Print. To close, click on Close. To open an existing file, go to File, click on Open. Select the file with .jff extension and click on Open. Then you will get a window like this. In the next videos, we will see how to run the Finet Automata and how to convert it. Now we will close this. To close, click on Quit. To view the image, go to that particular file and double click. This is how an image looks like. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.